the guys out of town for their Duditude concert, we can finally have some quality girl time. See a movie, go to the club.
Sharpen our bayonets, oil our bayonets, polish our bayonets.
Sticks, we don't have bayonets.
Oh yeah, buy bayonets.
Why do we need bayonets?
Our team's gonna be weakened by 3, and Eggman's still out there. We have to be prepared.
Have fun on your trip, guys. Don't do anything I wouldn't do.
I thought you said to have fun.
So, who's got first guard duty shift?
We don't need guard duty, Sticks. What we need is a plan to keep Eggman at bay. Lucky for us, I just happen to own this homemade Sonic doll, which I keep around for totally legitimate, definitely non-creepy reasons.
What? Oh, if it isn't Sonic. What's with the smug grin? You got beef, hedgehog? Then why don't you bring it to my grill? Yeah, that's what I thought. You don't want none of this, nuh-uh. Yeah, give me the cold shoulder, huh? You just started a war, you blue pincushion!
That should keep him occupied for a while. So, how do you want to kick off our girls' weekend?
Mud clump hurling!
Couldn't we do something a little less... How do I put this gently? Repugnant, uncouth, and boorish?
At least give it a try.
Ugh. Sorry, Sticks, but dirt throwing isn't my cup of tea. Thankfully, I know something that is my cup of tea. A cup of tea!
Why did you just say that?
Remember before I said I know something that is my cup of tea? I was just finishing the thought.
But you said that like an hour ago.
Yeah, but imagine if you were an outside observer just watching pieces of the conversation.
You see them too?
Let's just get back to knitting. Definitely seeing some improvement. But remember, you always want to knit the first row, then change to a ribbing pattern.
Sorry, but this nursing home activity stuff just ain't my bag.
I think I have an idea that'll satisfy both of us. How you doing over there, Sticks?
So let me get this straight. If I roll around in mud in the jungle, I'm a savage. But if I pay $40 to soak in it here, I'm civilized?
Exactly.
Works for me.
Amy, please tell me you're having as miserable a time as I am.
Actually, Sticks and I are having a relaxing spa weekend. But come on, I'm sure your trip isn't that bad.
Now over here is the official letter from the Book of Records asking me to stop contacting them.
I stand corrected. Well, have fun on your vacation. Take lots of pictures.
No pictures.
Sonic is out of town?
I said...
Hey, Sonic! It's me, your good friend with the 2 tails. Oh, what's his name? Check out these fly dance moves!
He had 2 hours to think of a distraction, and that's what he came up with? Okay, Orbot, your turn.
Sonic, it is I, Tails. Watch me ham bone.
Oh, for the love of...
Charlie, I just overheard that Sonic, Tails, and Knuckles are out of town. The village is ours for the taking.
As much as I'd love to unleash a reign of terror upon the village that will be remembered for 1,000 generations, I really need to get back to my excavation.
My mother was right about you. You don't have the fortitude to stand up to anybody.
We'll see if she gets a holiday card this year.
She will.
Yes, dear.
Time for the final showdown! Charge! This is the greatest day of my life! Oh, wait. I prepared something for this. When Sonic and I first locked eyes so many years ago, it was hate at first sight. And now, I stand here, my head full of hair. Whoa, how long ago did I write this?
Boss?
That's not Sonic. It's all been a brilliant, elaborate ruse.
Brilliant might be a little generous, don't you think?
That sneaky trickster is gonna pay for his labyrinthine web of lies. Sonic! Come on out, you conniving charlatan!
Oh, come on. I just got my fur done.
Looks like your little decoy plan may have backfired.
Your decoy plan?
Sticks and I set up the fake Sonic to distract you while the guys are out of town. We wanted a weekend to ourselves. I'm sure you understand.
I understand. I understand how pulverized you're gonna be! Robots, attack!
How about we try some press-on nails? You'll find they really draw attention away from your, everything else.
Toss me one of those fur extensions!
Is this one of those all-in-one shampoo conditioners? That's gonna dry out my stash.
Back for more, egghead!
It is I, Belinda. I've stood on the sidelines too long, watching that pudding-head Eggman and my inept husband fail time and time again. Now Mama B wants a piece of the action. And don't think I forgot about you. Must you always be so snarky?
I should be more like you. A maniac in a mech suit firing lasers at everyone.
What's the big idea? He didn't do nothing.
Actually, he didn't do anything.
I know I can't be the only one who's sick of him. And you. I just don't like the look of you.
Amy, no time to explain. Tails, Knuckles, and I are in jail. We need you to bail us out.
Sonic, I am really not in the mood for your practical jokes right now. Sticks and I got our hands full. We'll talk later. This isn't working. We gotta try something different. Mud club hurling!
There's mud all over me that I didn't pay $40 for. What am I, a savage?
I got an idea, but I need to borrow a few things from your store. If you got a problem with that, give me a sign. Great, thanks. Finish the first row, then switch to a ribbon pattern. Best girls weekend ever! Yeah!
What did I I do wrong? I was ruthless, cunning, merciless. I'm just glad I can go home and take it out on my husband.
Surprise! I know you're angry with me about not fighting those heroes for you, but I had a good reason. I was excavating. Your anniversary gift! If I know anything about women, it's that every gal loves to get a new outfit. That gives her the ability to fly and shoot deadly blasts from midair.
It's perfect.
This whole time I thought Eggman was gonna be our #1 problem, but it turned out to be Belinda.
You never know what to expect around here.
Oh. Don't mind me. Just taking this back to my lair for, research.
Looks like Hedgehog Village just got its new power couple.
Happy anniversary, honey bunny.
Nothing like a lazy Sunday morning. Got a cup of tea, a stack of yacht rock albums on vinyl, and a brand new loofah just waiting to be made unreturnable. Now all I need is my morning paper. Every Sunday, that lousy draft ruins my morning routine. Mother Nature's gotten real smug ever since my factories gave her the power to rain acid. It's time I take her down a peg. Once I rotate my lair 16 degrees, I will have beaten Mother Nature at her own game.
Breakfast is served. We worked all morning on this bountiful feast, but it was a labor of love.
Oh! Oh, look what you did! Clean that mess up while I go get my gravity boots. And don't touch anything!
All right.
Whoops.
Knuckles, how many times do we have to tell you not to dig tunnels everywhere?
Oh, but digging's what I dig. You dig?
Well, not anymore, it's not.
Touchdown.
You know, sometimes I think Eggman doesn't appreciate us.
What makes you say that?
The way he kicks us when we're down, calls us names, and always says, "I don't appreciate you." Ah!
Now I see why Dr. Eggman wanted his gravity boots.
Because Fashion Week's just around the corner?
No, to counteract the effects of this anti-gravity ray. This new invention could revolutionize the world as we know it.
And it makes a sweet hat, too.
Give me that!
I think I'm finally hitting my growth spurt.
Hang on, Cubot. I'll get you down.
Just wait till they see me sporting these babies during Fashion Week. I told you half-wits not to touch anything!
The extra gravitational force is scrambling his processors.
Minions, get me that gravity ray! Yeah, for Pete's sake! Not the pneumatic tube system! And he sticks the landing! Oh, no. That wind's not gonna get the best of me again.
It all comes down to this one penalty kick. Can the young woman break the glass ceiling and prove once and for all that a female can be just as good an athlete as a male?
You know, Amy, anytime someone calls attention to the breaking of gender rules, it ultimately undermines the concept of gender equality by implying that this is an exception and not the status quo. What? Just because I'm a meathead doesn't mean I'm not a feminist.
While I'm loath to call a halt to this very important dialogue, I'd be remiss if I didn't point out aliens are abducting our towels!
I don't think it's aliens we gotta worry about.
Anyone else smell burnt toast?
Orbot, you've got the knob. Do something or I'll dock you a year's pay.
Actually, he can't dock your wages because he doesn't pay you.
He could probably dock them for room and board.
Not if he's claiming them as dependents on his taxes. Could we perhaps discuss my financial matters at another juncture?
I guess if I want to fix this, I gotta pull myself up by my gravity bootstraps and do it myself.
Hello, sir. Would you care for a car wash while you dine?
Yeah, abandoned ship! You can handle this, Eggman. Just gotta, invent a thingy. Yeah, I'll do that.
I'm flying!
Looks like we've got to rescue more than just our beach towels.
Oh, great, now he's affecting Cannon. This has gone too far. Tails, you got anything that could launch me into the air?
Just gotta connect this hyper tube to that oscillator. Oh, Sonic's here. He'll save the day or something.
And I told myself I'd never get tied down again. Ah! Oh, you still got it, CC.
It's working!
That can't be good.
It's all so clear now, as if I'm seeing the world from a new perspective.
Gee, imagine that.
We should all float freely. Join me! I'll free you from gravity's tyranny, and we'll all ascend to the stars.
One order of French fries, please.
Do you want fries with that?
Good question. You know what? I do want fries with my fries. That anti-grav thing is really turning into a pain in the butt. Guess it falls on Eggman to take care of business and make my own fries.
The path to true enlightenment is by breaking free of the invisible forces that hold you down.
That Cubot guy's starting to make a lot of sense.
Yeah, until everybody floats so high they run out of oxygen and can't breathe.
Good point. Wish you said that before I went all in.
Blech. These fries are either burnt or frozen, or somehow both.
You're free now, free to express yourself.
Oh no, the last thing we want is Amy expressing herself. We gotta do something!
Join my movement, Sonic, and together we'll hand out annoying pamphlets to people at the airport.
We better do something. Oxygen's in short supply up here.
Sonic, catch!
Got it! Cubot, prepare to be grounded. And boom goes the dynamite!
No! I can feel gravity's sticky hands all over me!
that's over. I'll never be swayed by charismatic charlatans offering vague promises of a better future again.
Can I interest you in an exclusive timeshare opportunity?
Sign me up!
Great job up there, Tails.
I learned from the best. TV.
Oh, cruel fate! Sending me back to my mundane, low-altitude existence!
Cubot, have your diagnostics returned to operational capacity?
No, but I'm working just fine.
He's back to normal.
Hey, something isn't right. Anyone else feeling a little heavy?
Well, I did eat an entire extra-large Pizza Lover's pizza this afternoon. That's a pizza with the little pieces on top.
I'm with Sonic. Something ain't kosher here.
I don't think you switched off the anti-gravity ray. I think you put it in reverse.
I've finally done it. The perfect batch of fries. Now to taste.
Knuckles, you're closest. You'll have to take out the gravity ray.
No problemo! Actually, yes, problemo!
Remember what I said before about not digging tunnels? Forget it!
Forget what?
He wants you to dig!
I dig!
By my calculations, we've managed to rotate the layer an entire 1/8 of a degree.
Great! Only 127/8 more to go, then you can come back inside.